Hello everyone, this is Amit. Welcome to another video about Notepad++ Pro tip. Today we are going to learn how to create a clickable HTML link in Notepad++. If you notice any HTML file in Notepad++, if there is a link in that, and if you hover your mouse over that, you can see that it is actually a clickable link. Now, you can enable or disable this feature. I think by default it is set to enable. So let's see how we can create a clickable hyperlink in Notepad++. So first of all, the settings for this particular feature is under Settings, Preferences, and if you go to the miscellaneous, the last part of it, there is an option for that. There is clickable link settings in the preferences. So there are a number of options. One is just to basically enable or disable it. So if I disable this or uncheck this, and if I go back to my HTML, as you can see that there is no clickable link here anymore. It's just a plain text. So let's go back and enable it. There's another feature called no underline. So by default, if you have this feature enabled, it will put an underline, and sometimes if you're looking through your code, you don't want to see that underline, and if you don't like that, you can just check this box. And if I move this and go to my HTML, you can see that it is actually yep, right there. So it is clickable, but when you're looking at it, there's no underline to it. I like to keep it as default, so I'll keep that as it is and click close. Now this is an HTML page, and it builds or it creates a link here. If I would like to open that, you just need to double click and it should be able to open that into your web browser. Now it doesn't limit to any HTML file only. It can be any link in any text file in Notepad++. So let's actually create one or two examples. So if I would like to create just a simple link here, I can do as you can see, as I was typing it, it recognized that it is an HTML link, and it already created this clickable link. One thing you might notice is if I just put www.youtube.com, it doesn't make that as a clickable link. You need to have the HTTP or the HTTPS in front in order to do that. So let's create another one. HTTPS facebook.com. So as you can see, it did create the link, and if you double click on it, it should open in your web browser that particular link. So that's about it actually. We just learned how to create a clickable link in Notepad++. As always, if you like, please click a like button or subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see any particular video about Notepad++, please comment in my comment section. Alright, thank you, bye.